Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you a tour of, we're going to be driving to the Norman Manley International Airport. So we're going to give you a tour from, we're at the intersection with Hope Road. So we're going to drive from Hope Road down Mountain View, down Windward Road, onto Sir Florizel Glaspole Highway or Boulevard, then onto Palisadoes into the Norman Manley International Airport. Now this is a very busy roadway, very busy, because it leads you to the only international airport in Kingston. We also have the Tinsipen Aerodrome, but I'm not sure if you would consider that even an airport. I don't think the government even knows what to do with that aerodrome. It's under the... It's there, put it that way. It's more of a training school than anything, because Jamaica no longer has domestic flights. So this is the main route that takes you to the airport. So we are now on Mountain View Avenue. And Mountain View Avenue is a very popular road in Jamaica. And Mountain View Avenue also takes you to Arthur Wint Drive, where they are actually going to be expanding that road to 4 lanes from Arthur Wint Drive right back to South Camp Road. Major road project. And that's Arthur Wint Drive straight ahead at the stoplight. The government is going to be spending $53 billion upgrading the roads. 17 billion, not even 17, 21 billion will be spent in Kingston, St. Andrew, and St. Catherine. Massive road project. So this is Arthur Wint Drive, that's the National Stadium on the right. So that road will be upgraded to 4 lanes all the way back to South Camp Road. And South Camp Road leads you to downtown Kingston. So we're still on Mountain View Avenue. Now this road always has incidents, because on one side is one political party and on the other side is the other political party. So here you can see some green flags up now. Not sure why. Not sure what's going on, why they have the green flags up, but this is one political party, and then on the other side is Nannyville, which is another political party. Basically you have, I have no idea why the flags are up, because they haven't even announced an election yet. So Jamaica Rifle Association on the right. So there you can see the orange wall now, that is Nannyville. And then coming up on the right now is Excelsior Community College, and then beside it is Excelsior High School. Two very nice institutions. Alright, we're now coming up to the intersection with Deanery Road. And guys, you notice there are no white lines in the road? I will never understand why it's so hard to put in the white lines. And people, there is as simple as you have a machine. You just drive the machine and put in the white lines. Yet so many, this section has, but so many roads in Jamaica don't have white lines. I mean, the NAA, the National Works Agency, is responsible for this road. It leads you to the airport. I mean, I wonder if the NAA has a list of roads that have priority. I don't know, but this road should be better maintained than this. There's no question about it. So I'm hoping when they're ready to spend those billions on the road projects, that this will be one of the roads that they basically rehabilitate. Now, just imagine a visitor comes to Jamaica, or a Jamaican returns home. You're coming from a first world country, and then you drive on this road to get to where you're going. It can be done better. They can do better. Put it that way. They can do better. All right, on the right is a turn off to Rosetown, and then on the left is the Mountain View Police Station. Alright, so we're now coming to the intersection with Windward Road. Turn right, you take Windward Road to downtown Kingston. Turn left, you head towards the airport, towards Harborview. Alright, so we're turning left, so we're now on Windward Road. And this road also is in a terrible state. You have to sometimes wonder if, instead of spending 40 billion, why not spend 10 billion every year and fix some of these roads? I don't know. So this is another police station. Now this is a Rockfort police station. So we're now in the Rockfort area.